A woman's reproductive system consists of an arrangement of organs that each month prepares itself for the possibility of creating a baby. It is made up of the ovaries, the fallopian or uterine tubes, the uterus or womb, and the vagina. These all play a part in the menstrual cycle, which is centered around the release of an egg from the ovaries, approximately every 28 days. Let's have a look inside the body to see what happens during this cycle. The ovaries are a pair of almond-shaped glands that are positioned either side of the uterus. They are enclosed by the finger-like ends of the fallopian tubes, which are hollow passageways connecting the ovaries to the uterus. The uterus is a hollow pear-shaped organ that has thick muscular walls and is where the embryo grows to become a baby. It is attached to the upper end of the vagina. The eggs develop and mature inside the ovaries. This process is controlled by the pituitary gland at the base of the brain, which releases hormones into the bloodstream, causing the ovary to release a mature egg. This is known as ovulation, a process which usually occurs sometime between day 13 and day 15 of each cycle, day 1 being the first day of your menstrual bleed or period. The ovaries also release the female hormone estrogen, which causes the lining of the uterus to thicken in preparation to receive a fertilized egg. Once released from the ovaries, the egg makes its way along the fallopian tube, where it might meet a sperm if sexual intercourse has occurred, and fuse with it in a process known as fertilization. The fertilized egg moves through the fallopian tube to the uterus, where it embeds itself in the thickened lining and continues to grow. If the egg is not fertilized, it breaks down, and the level of hormones produced by the ovary begin to fall. This causes the lining of the uterus to also break down. Both the unfertilized egg and the lining of the uterus are then shed from the body via the vagina during menstruation, known as a period.